Right, this is my homemade mortar rack, 2.5 inch. Then there's my homemade 2-inch one, 5-shot and 3-shot. Already loaded up for the beginning of the show. Yeah, so then that's what we'll do to start. Then we'll just fire some random singles and doubles and stuff. All homemade, 100%. Then we've got some 2-inch shells. Most of them are colour, about a few salutes. Then the finale, all these are up at the same time. Some 2-inch colour and salutes and some 2.5-inch colour and 1 salute. So that would be good. It's the 2nd of November. I'm doing it. I should record them all. Thanks for watching.